Now we're going to talk about control flow in Elixir. Control flow mechanisms allow us to make decisions and control the flow of our programs. In Elixir, we have three main constructs for control flow: if, case, and con. Let's start with the if statement in Elixir. The if statement allows us to perform conditional execution based on a condition. In this example, we have a variable age with a value of 20. We use the if statement to check if age is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, we print you are an adult using the io_puts1 function. If the condition is false, we print you are underage. Moving on, let's explore the case statement in Elixir. The case statement allows us to match a value against multiple patterns and execute the corresponding code block. In this example, we have a variable language with the value Elixir. We use the case statement to match the value of language against different patterns. If language matches Elixir, we print you're coding in Elixir using io_puts1. If language matches Ruby, we print you're coding in Ruby. If no pattern matches, we use the underscore as a catch-all pattern and print you're coding in an unknown language. Lastly, let's explore the con statement. The con statement allows us to evaluate multiple conditions and execute the code block of the first condition that evaluates to true. In this example, we have a variable hour with a value of 12. We use the con statement to evaluate multiple conditions. If hour is less than 12, we print good morning using the io_puts1 function. If hour is less than 18, we print good afternoon. If none of the previous conditions evaluate to true, we use the true as a catch-all condition and print good evening. Alright, so that concludes our exploration of control flow constructs, if, case, and con in Elixir. These constructs provide a powerful way to make decisions and control the flow of your Elixir programs.